The story of cotton is woven into the very fabric of human history. From ancient civilizations to modern times, cotton has been a cornerstone of human development. For millennia, humans have spun its soft fibers into thread and cloth, clothing generations and shaping civilizations. The process of transforming raw cotton into fabric has evolved, but the essence remains the same. But before we discovered its value, the cotton plant was already locked in a struggle for survival. In the wild, it faced numerous challenges that tested its resilience. Its fluffy bolls, while gentle in appearance, are part of a sophisticated defense system. These bolls protect the seeds and ensure the plant's continuity. These fibers evolved not for us, but to help the plant disperse its seeds on the wind. This natural mechanism ensures that new plants can grow far from the parent, reducing competition. Rooted in place, cotton faces relentless threats, from harsh weather to hungry insects. Each season brings new challenges that the plant must overcome. Its greatest challenge, legions of insects eager to devour its leaves, stems, and seeds. These pests can decimate a cotton crop if left unchecked. To survive, cotton became a master of adaptation, developing chemical defenses over millions of years. These natural defenses help deter pests and ensure the plant's survival. Our journey begins in these quiet fields, where a humble plant stands as a silent warrior in nature's ongoing battle. Each plant tells a story of resilience and adaptation. This is not just the story of a crop, but of nature's enduring power to protect and persist. The cotton plant, with its rich history and remarkable adaptations, is a testament to the strength and ingenuity of nature. To an insect, a cotton field is a feast: nutritious leaves, sweet sap, and protein-rich bolls. Every part of the plant offers something valuable, making it an irresistible target for hungry invaders. The sheer abundance of food draws insects from far and wide, each seeking to claim a share of the cotton's riches. This abundance attracts a vast array of pests, from tiny aphids that cluster on the undersides of leaves to the infamous boll weevil, whose name is feared by farmers everywhere. Each pest has its own strategy for survival, and together, they form a relentless army. The boll weevil, for example, lays its eggs inside the cotton bolls, where its larvae hatch unseen and begin to feed. Hidden from view, they destroy seeds and fibers from within, causing damage that can devastate entire crops before farmers even notice. Cotton bollworms are equally destructive, tunneling deep into the bolls and devouring the soft tissues. Their feeding leaves behind hollowed shells, reducing both yield and quality. Meanwhile, aphids and caterpillars sap the plant's strength by draining its juices and chewing through its leaves, weakening the cotton and making it more vulnerable to further attack. A single plant may be attacked by multiple species at once, each weakening it in different ways. The combined assault can leave a cotton plant stunted, its growth slowed, and its ability to produce healthy bolls severely compromised. The onslaught is constant. Cotton cannot afford to be defenseless. Insects arrive in waves, season after season, always searching for new opportunities to feed and multiply. Evolution has forced the plant to develop a powerful, sophisticated system of self-protection. Over generations, cotton has adapted, learning to survive in a world full of threats. Its battle is not fought with movement, but with chemistry. The plant produces a range of natural defenses, compounds and structures designed to deter, poison, or repel its enemies. The plant stands its ground, fighting back with a hidden arsenal. Even when surrounded, it refuses to surrender, relying on its own ingenuity to survive. This is the classic evolutionary arms race, plant and pest locked in a cycle of adaptation and counter-adaptation, each side constantly evolving new tactics in the struggle for survival. Under constant attack from a relentless army of insects and pathogens, the cotton plant was forced to adapt or perish. Over countless generations, it transformed itself into a sophisticated chemical factory, evolving remarkable ways to defend its tender leaves and seeds from hungry invaders. Drawing energy from the sun and nutrients from the soil, the cotton plant produces its own natural pesticides, complex molecules that act as invisible shields. These compounds are not just simple deterrents, they are intricate chemical weapons, crafted with precision by the plant's own metabolism. Chief among these defensive molecules is Gossypol, a distinctive yellow pigment found throughout the cotton plant, but especially concentrated in its seeds. Gossypol is toxic to many would-be attackers, making the seeds less appealing to insects and even some animals. Producing Gossypol is an energy-intensive process, requiring the plant to divert precious resources. Yet, this investment is essential for survival, especially in harsh environments where threats are constant and varied. Deep within its tissues, the plant's cells act like tiny laboratories, ramping up toxin production whenever danger is detected. Specialized glands store and release these chemicals, responding rapidly to the presence of pests. This dynamic defense system ensures that resources are allocated where they're needed most, allowing the plant to heal and protect its most vulnerable parts while conserving energy elsewhere. Cotton doesn't rely on a single toxin for protection. Instead, it creates a complex cocktail of related compounds, each targeting different threats or stages of attack. This chemical diversity makes it much harder for pests to adapt or develop resistance, keeping the plant one step ahead in the evolutionary arms race. Like a castle with many layers of defense, cotton's arsenal is both formidable and adaptable, able to withstand a wide range of attackers. Its chemical complexity forms a powerful barrier, deterring not just one, but a multitude of potential threats, from insects to microbes. The cotton plant's very survival depends on this ever-evolving internal shield, a testament to nature's ingenuity and the ongoing battle between plant and pest. Gossypol's first line of defense is its bitter taste, enough to send many insects searching for a tastier meal. For those that persist, the toxin disrupts digestion, binding to proteins and starving the insect from within. Gossypol can slow insect growth, disrupt development, and even prevent pests from reaching adulthood. In high enough doses, it acts as a true poison, damaging cells and blocking energy production. Smaller or sensitive insects may die after a single meal. By concentrating Gossypol in its seeds, cotton ensures its next generation is protected. This chemical shield is especially crucial for the plant's most valuable parts. Gossypol's effectiveness lies in its ability to both deter and destroy. It's a sophisticated, multi-layered defense honed by evolution. The cotton plant's survival strategy is as elegant as it is ruthless. Long before synthetic pesticides, cotton relied on its own chemical defenses. Wild and early domesticated cotton survived by producing toxins like Gossypol. Early farmers unknowingly selected the most resilient plants, strengthening natural resistance over generations. These ancient fields were diverse ecosystems, not today's vast monocultures. Cotton's natural shield was tested daily, proving its effectiveness. The plant's silent chemical warfare laid the foundation for its global importance. This history shows the ongoing cycle between plants and pests, a balance, not eradication. Cotton tolerated some damage as long as it could reproduce. Its strategy was resilience, allowing it to flourish for millennia. The enduring power of cotton's natural defenses is a testament to nature's ingenuity. Cotton's defense is a textbook evolutionary arms race. The plant evolves new toxins. Insects evolve ways to resist them. Some specialist pests, like certain caterpillars, can break down Gossypol, gaining an edge over competitors. In response, cotton may develop new or stronger toxins, restarting the cycle. Physical defenses, like hairy or tough leaves, add another layer of protection. These adaptations work together, making it harder for pests to succeed. This ongoing battle drives biodiversity and shapes both plant and insect evolution. In agriculture, relying on a single defense, natural or synthetic, can backfire as pests adapt. Understanding this arms race is key to sustainable pest management. The lesson diversity and adaptation are nature's best strategies. Wild cotton, the ancestor of today's crops, thrives without human help. These scraggly plants are survival experts, armed with robust and diverse chemical defenses. Wild varieties often contain higher levels of Gossypol and other toxins than commercial cotton. As we bred cotton for softness and yield, we sometimes lost natural resistance. Wild cotton is a genetic library, holding keys to powerful pest resistance. Scientists now crossbreed wild and commercial cotton to restore lost defenses. This reintroduces nature's wisdom into modern agriculture. Wild cotton's priority is survival, not human needs. Its tough leaves and potent toxins are tools for endurance. By learning from wild relatives, we gain lessons in resilience and adaptation. Today, cotton's natural defenses are more vital than ever. Heavy reliance on synthetic pesticides has led to resistance and environmental harm. Harnessing cotton's own chemical arsenal offers a sustainable alternative. Breeding naturally resistant varieties reduces the need for chemical sprays. This is central to integrated pest management, combining natural resistance, predators, and careful monitoring. Fewer pesticides mean lower costs, healthier ecosystems, and slower resistance development. Working with nature creates more resilient farms. Cotton's ancient strategy offers modern solutions. By studying its defenses, we learn to farm more harmoniously with the natural world. The story of cotton's defense is a lesson in sustainable agriculture. The cotton plant's story reveals nature as a master innovator. Its chemical arsenal is a product of relentless evolution, not aggression. Gossypol's silent battle is as dramatic as any in the animal kingdom. This tale urges us to see the hidden complexity in familiar plants. Cotton is an active participant in its own survival, not just a passive crop. Its dance with insects is a dynamic evolutionary partnership. Embracing wild diversity and breeding for resilience leads to sustainable crops. Cotton's fibers tell two stories, one of civilization, one of natural endurance. The plant's ancient wisdom offers solutions perfected over millions of years. By respecting this wisdom, we can cultivate a better future for both people and the planet.